Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm going to read Building Better Habits with Dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical in our brain that can make us feel excited and happy when we achieve something. There are both healthy and unhealthy ways to release dopamine. Good habits like exercising, completing tasks, or learning new things can bring us a natural dopamine boost. These habits make us feel happy, motivated, and healthy. On the other hand, bad habits such as using drugs or drinking alcohol may give a quick rush, but they can lead to addiction and harm our brain and body. That's why we should build positive habits that motivate us in a healthy way. We should also stay focused on what truly brings us long-term benefits and fulfillment. Thank you.